Ano 'to? Pa nananaginip ba ako? Ano 'to?
Ooh.
Ay! May bago na naman! Kakagising ko lang, may bagong pakulo na naman tong Middle East brand na to, which is from the brand of Latafa. And it seems like, hindi siya kahwa. It's Waha. Is it Waha? Is it Waka? Waka-waka? Sa amin namin na, Waha-waha, But mukhang hindi na siya same dun sa mga other flankers ng Latafa, which is parang cinnamon apple pie, tonka bean loaded, vanilla loaded, talagang very Middle Eastern dessert yung datingan niya. So, it seems like very aquatic yung vibes niya. It's a transparent, it's a blue juice yung datingan nitong pabango na to. But, tingnan natin tong mga notes niya. May cucumber, may bergamot, may yuzu, may juniper berries, may ginger, may iris. It seems like parang may pagka-powdery din siya. Clary sage, may sea salt accord, may tonka bean to give that sweetness, vanilla to give that parang yung pagkatamisness para hindi ka maumay sa sobrang citrusy niya. May musk to give that cleanliness. May ambrofix to make the scent project longevity sillage to the roof and Aki Galawood. But itong pabango na to, it seems like parang kilala ko kung sino perfumer nito. Hulaan nyo kung sinong perfumer nitong pabango na to. Let me know in the comment section. And I'm so excited na they already parang nag-iniba na nila yung direction nila. Na hindi na maumay yung tao na if sawang-sawa ka na sa mga sweet fragrances, if you love something fresh, it's really meant to be pang summer, baka ito na yun. Hulaan nyo sa tingin nyo magkano price range nito. And shout out to that person who created this parang art card na nakita ko sa Latafa group. And credits to you, whoever you are. And I'm so excited to share you my review about itong pabango na to. Siyempre, re-reviewin namin yan ni Boss Terence. Let me know in the comment section if you want this perfume to be reviewed here on my channel. And hopefully, excited din kayo as much as I am. Till next time, like, comment, and follow for more. So excited!